So, what are we trying to do here? Yes, we are trying to build something. I've been walking and working on stuff with AI, and I just wanted to try out AI Studio for a bit. I don't work directly in it because that's a large language model. I work within the CNNs and all, yeah, MLPs. But if I want to have an algorithm, or like say encapsulation of some AI, specialist AI, then you know I could bring up Visual Studio Code or any other program, basically ID, and try to do stuff. But now I just took my my prompt, which is a basic idea I had for a long time, and of course micropython code. There it is. What can I do here? Block. Oh, this is my main loop. As in wait. Out there. There. That works, man. And you can see, and the generated code is so at this side. Yeah, basically. Yeah. What should I say?